Hello and welcome back to 5 Minute English Talk. I'm Bruce.
And I'm Stacy. Remember, 5 minutes a day is all you need to keep improving your English. Small daily steps turn into big results, and we're here to make sure your practice feels fun, easy, and natural.
Learning English doesn't have to take hours. Just 5 minutes a day of short, simple practice builds consistency, and consistency is what leads to real fluency.
Exactly. And today, we're looking at 3 fun phrases that make your English stories sound more interesting. So, guess what? You won't believe this, and let me tell you.
These little expressions act like hooks. They grab attention and make people want to listen.
Let's learn about the phrase, so guess what? This phrase is perfect when you want to grab someone's attention in a friendly way. So, guess what? I passed my exam. So, guess what? I got tickets to the concert. It creates suspense, like you're about to share exciting news.
And the next phrase we learn is, you won't believe this. This one shows that something surprising or unusual is coming. You won't believe this, but I just saw my teacher at the supermarket. You won't believe this. I lost my phone and found it in the fridge. It makes your story sound dramatic and fun.
And finally, we learn about the phrase, let me tell you. This phrase works well when you want to explain something or share details. Let me tell you, that movie was incredible. Let me tell you, the traffic this morning was terrible. It's like saying, listen closely. This is important.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. So guess what? I got a new job. You won't believe this. We won the game. Let me tell you, it was the best weekend ever.
In conversations, the first few words are like a hook. Just like in movies or stories, a good opening keeps people interested. Phrases like these are everyday hooks in English.
If you can start your story with energy, people will want to listen more, and your English will feel more confident and engaging. Let's see how natural conversation sounds.
So, guess what? I finally finished my project.
Really? That's great. You won't believe this. I actually finished mine early too.
No way. Let me tell you, we both deserve a break.
Absolutely. Time to chill out.
See how natural that sounds? Just 3 short phrases, but the whole conversation feels more lively and engaging.
Now it's your turn. Here's today's challenge. Think of a small story from your week, maybe about school, work, or family. Start it using one of these phrases. So guess what? You won't believe this. Let me tell you. Say it out loud right now.
Good conversations aren't only about grammar. They're about connection. Using these little phrases helps you sound more engaging, friendly, and fun to talk to.
And that's it for today's 5 Minute English Talk. If you enjoyed today's episode, please comment, give us a review, and leave a rating for our show. It really helps us grow and lets more learners like you discover these lessons.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, your words have the power to spark curiosity and connection. See you tomorrow.